Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Warren & Brown Model 320510 quarter-inch non-ratcheting deflecting beam torque wrench. This is very accurate. What do you get in the box? The usual plastic case, the model numbers on it. You get this nice little card. And that's it. No instructions, no anything. This is how it comes. Oh, you then get the anvil to use in here. And you can also use, if need be, you can also use extensions on this. Your own extensions. So, this is a deflecting beam torque wrench, non-ratcheting. The anvil goes here. We'll get to that in a minute. This is the pin. The pin is pushed in. Always keep it that way. Here's your scale. You loosen this. You can move this up and down. It's a little finicky. It takes a while to get used to it. You got the round grip. They also make a version with the straight grip. I should have got that, but I thought this one really looked cool. So what you do, you loosen that. You adjust this thing left or right and set it at the number you want. I find setting it just a little shy of the line helps get you close. You tighten it down and you start to use it. It only goes in one direction. It's 10 to 220 inch-pounds. When you start to use it, this pin here will go up and hit this block. That causes the deflection, and when it reaches the deflecting point for what you have it set at, the pin pops out and you can hear it click. This torque wrench costs $220. It's expensive, but it's very accurate. All right, we're going to walk over to the CDI and try it out a few times, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be with you. All right, like I said, I've got this set at 220. I'm sorry, 200. I apologize. The pin is in. Get a little something down here. $199. Don't forget to set the pin. $198. Set the pin. $201. All right, so you get an idea. It's pretty accurate. There you can see it with the pin out. Now I did a lot of testing on this one. 6 series of tests at 70, 100, and 125. At 70, it averaged 70.45, which is 0.64% difference. At 100, it averaged 101.1, which is a 1.09% difference. And at 125, it averaged 125.5, which is a 0.39% difference. Now this is rated at 2% above and below. Now you may be saying to yourself, hey, that's great, but where do I get one, Johnny? Well, here's the deal. If you go to the Warren & Brown website, you can look up their tools. Now, I've sent several emails to Warren and Brown, if you're watching, and no one's ever gotten back to me. Now, on their website, it says the sole U.S. distributor is an outfit called Wilmington Instruments in Wilmington, California. So I called them a while back to start getting some information, and they have a search engine, but you can punch Warren and Brown in, and it just comes back saying, yeah, we have them, but we don't have the ability to show them on the screen. So what you have to do is when you're at the Warren and Brown site, you write it down, what model numbers you're interested in, then you got to call Wilmington Instruments and see if they've got it in stock and get an idea what the price is. However, Wilmington Instruments no longer exists. Now it's called Global Test Supply in Wilmington, North Carolina. So now you have to do the same thing. Get the model number you're interested in, call Global Test Supply. Now I used them for this purchase. They were great. I spoke to a nice lady, no problems. They set everything up, piece of cake. But it's now Global Test Supply in Wilmington, North Carolina. Overall, this thing is very accurate. I think I've got 15 torque wrenches. Out of all of them, the Icon inch-pound torque wrench, and the Deflecting beam power built, the half-inch, are the most accurate that I've seen. So, give it a shot if you want, but 220 bucks. You can get 2 of the Icons for that, I believe. So, I like it. It's a good tool, very accurate. You own a high-end bike shop, I don't think you can go wrong with this at all. Just remember to set that pin. All right, that's all I got. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.